Hello, Autumn. Today we realize a hedgehog in a box. You need some modeling clay, a piece of grass, some leaves, scissors, little plastic eyes, plastic box, and some sticks. Open and cut a piece of modeling clay. Make a clay ball with your hands. Now you can shape the face. Shape the face of the hedgehog. Put the eyes on the hedgehog. 1 and 2 eyes. Put 15 sticks on the hedgehog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 sticks. Make a small clay ball with your hands. This is the nose of the hedgehog. The nose of the hedgehog. Put now the grass inside the box. Put some stones inside the box. Put the hedgehog in the box. Put some leaves in the box. Put brown leaves in the box. Put red leaves in the box. Put green leaves in the box. The hedgehog's house is now ready. Let's go. Close the box.